Hi lovely people, welcome back to another video. I have something special to share with you. We are gonna make this pasta salad in only 5 minutes. This is what the end result looks like. It's absolutely delicious. And guys, it only needs a few ingredients, and probably you already have those in your pantry and refrigerator. So let's get started with this simple salad. In this bowl, I already cooked my pasta and I have some roasted tomatoes. If you have missed that video that I did recently on this channel, you can definitely check it out. I'll share the link in the description below. So we have pasta and roasted tomatoes. Here I'm crumbling some bacon that I've fried off camera, because I know everybody know how to fry bacon, isn't me? So we are going to add some edamame beans, some corn. This was corn on the cob, and I simply just cut the corn, boil the corn, and then cut the corn off the cob. Adding parsley. And this is some dressing that I bought at Walmart, and that's what I'm going to use. If you are that type of person who would rather to make your own home dressing, just mix that up and just sprinkle it all over your salad, and it is ready. It is that simple, and it is absolutely delicious, as I've mentioned. Guys, if you are new to this corner called Stir Taste Suggest, remember to subscribe and smash that bell icon so you won't miss out on these videos that I post weekly. So until then, I'll see you soon with another incredible recipe. What good? Peace.